Hello, I'm Ruben Garza. I'm from Fresno, California. This is my 1978 Chevy C10 long bed. I had it for a little bit over a year. I did the paint job myself and rattle canned it. It's got a 350 second engine in it. I'm the fourth owner to this truck. Everything came with a grill, went all the way to Bakersfield, California, which is 200 miles away from here, to go pick this up. I put the moldings on myself, bendable chrome, other parts I bought from eBay. I put another tailgate on. I put the Chevy emblem there. Put the moldings there. We got the Chevy license plate frames. Came with the rims and new tires. I did the inside myself. I put new panels on, the door panels. I did that myself, the center console. I put a new Chevrolet dashboard. All this is new. All this is from eBay, used except for the glass. I bought that. I put a Bluetooth AM/FM stereo, tilt column. Later on, we'll buy some carpet. Right now, I'm on the budget myself. But I love this truck. She goes by the name of Blue Moon. And she's my baby. I think my wife is more jealous of her than any other woman. And good morning, Mr. and Mrs. PIB. Please subscribe to PIB'S Best channel on YouTube. I got some of my ideas from him. Like I colored the inside of the bezels. But it's a beautiful truck. It runs really great. But also too, like PIB'S Best said, one of his trucks got a small transmission leak. So does this one. So I got to take it to the mechanic later on this week. Thank you. You all have a good day. God bless day. Goodbye from Fresno, California, and goodbye from Blue Moon.